Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn the coconut dance. Remember, this is a tutorial only, so once you've learned it, you can practice with the music at different speeds with the other video and then with the real speed with the shorts. All the links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And super important, before we start, don't forget to warm up. All right, let's start. So we're gonna do mirrored, meaning this is your right and this is your left. So we're gonna start with this part. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So right foot going to the right, come back to the right, come back. So you can lift it a little bit, slide back, lift it a little bit, slide back because it's really fast. Yeah. Left hand is on the hip. So you're going to bring your right hand to the left side and you can look to the left side and circle with your hand and fist, pop and come back. And when you pop, your head is gonna go down to the side, to the right side as well. Yeah, so bring it to the left side, circle, pop, come back. Again, left side, circle, pop, come back. Yeah, with the legs. To the side, circle, pop, come back. One more time. To the side, circle, pop, come back. With the counts. 1, and 2, and. Yes, again. 1, and 2, and. After that, we're gonna step with the right foot and we're gonna open both arms. The elbows are bent, yeah? Here, and right shoulder, left shoulder. Yeah, so you finish here and open, right, left. Again, open, right, left, and then you're gonna step with your left foot. While you step with your left foot, you're gonna do the head up and come back forward. Yeah, so when you lift your foot, you're gonna go up, yeah, and then forward when you put your foot down. So we were here, and we do shoulder and head. Again, from here, shoulders and head. From the top. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Yes, that's when she says, close the door and open up to me after. Yeah? So, close the door and open up. With the counts again. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Last time. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. From here, we're gonna do this. Pam, pam, pam. So, from here, just the legs, you open. Make sure you open, you're not in. Yes, open, because you're gonna turn it in and open again. Yeah, so from here, open, in, open. Yes, the left finger is going to point to your head. Yes, and the right hand is gonna go here on the left hip, right hip, left hip. Yes? Again, so left, right, left. Yeah, it's quite fast. Again, so you finish here with a head and pam, pam, pam. Yeah, so you finish on 4, 5, and 6. Yes, make sure from here you really put your foot out. Yes, because if it's in, then it's too fast, you lost. Yeah, so make sure you practice this from here, boom. Again, from here, boom, this position. Yeah, last time, head, boom. Yeah, so 5 and 6, and so from here, you're gonna lift your right leg and bend it. Yes, in, like that. Right hand on your hip. Yeah? So, 5 and 6, and 7, 8. Yes? So, we here, you close, and we're gonna do 2 small circles with the hips, yeah? 1 circle, 2 circles, yes? And you can go a little bit more down as you do it, yeah? So from here, you can either bat your finger or hut your face, yeah? So either this or this, yes? Depends what you want to do. Yeah, you choose. So again, from 4. Yes, we were here on 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yeah? One more time, just that. From here, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yeah? From the top. So we do 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Again from the top. So 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. One more time, and then we'll move forward. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Then we're gonna jump. Boom, boom, jump, jump. So you jump and your hips go to the right. Jump again, hips go to the right, jump. Hips go to the left, jump. Hips go to the right. Yeah? With the arms, we were here. So we do both arms to the left and you pull your right elbow back. And then the right arm gonna go around your head and then stretch to the right side. Yeah, so, and pull and stretch. Yeah, so when you jump, you look to the left, pull, look to the left, stretch. So, and 1, and 2, then the arms go forward, yes, and your hips go to the left. And then you're gonna cross your arms a little bit before they come down. Yeah, so forward, cross a little bit before they come down. So, and jump, pull, jump, stretch, forward, down. One more time. So we finish here. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah, so remember, hips to the right, to the right, to the left, to the right. One last time. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And then we're going to take one more jump. Yes, with your hips going to the left. And holding like you're holding a ball or a coconut. Yes? So here. Yeah, so you finish your last one and here. Then you're gonna go with your right leg in, out, twice. In, out, and you're gonna bring your imaginary ball or your imaginary coconut to the right, come back, to the right, come back. So pam, 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 pam. On the second one, you're gonna add the head going down to the right. So pam, 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 pam. Yes, and that's gonna be on when the guys say, I can't, I can't. Yes, so I can't, I can't. Yes, sorry, just the second time you're doing the head. Yeah, one more time. I can't, I can't. Yeah, so very quick, very sharp. From the jump. So we finish here on 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Yeah, one more time. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Yeah? Again, linking from the top. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're gonna do an 8 and 8 and 8. So in, out, like whipping, you know, in, out. One arm, two arms. Yes? And the right leg is gonna go up a little bit and close your feet together. Yes? And then you're gonna look to the left and come back center. Yeah, so we've done 7 and 8. Yes, it's almost finished. From here, we're gonna jump with your feet apart and finish in that position. Yeah, so boom. So you can do here either fist or one finger. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the fist for now. So you jump and you finish on 1, yeah? When you jump, you can either just do this, or if you want, you can add a little bit of head and torso, yeah? Head and torso, up to you. Or you just can jump simply like that, yeah? So you're gonna finish on 1, and that hip, the left hip, is gonna go forward, forward, forward. Yes? And wrist gonna push forward, forward, forward. So you arrive on push, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Are you done? Yes, same thing. If you prefer doing the fingers, still gonna be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so again, from this part, from the jumps. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, one more time that. So we finish 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, if that's a little bit easier, you can lift the heel as well if it allows you to move a little bit more your hip. Yeah? So let's go from the top slowly. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so make sure to do your jump second. Yeah, when you're right with your feet apart on and 8 and, yeah, 8 and. So on the 1, you can push your hip and your wrist forward. Yeah? Again, like that from the top. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time, a little bit, slightly bit faster. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.